Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is felipecharming, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how I get my waves want swim, so they hate want him.
And the keeper do rag, keep the wave on swim. Waves on swim, so they hate on him.
No, I'm kidding. No, but I've been getting a lot of like questions and comments on my like waves a lot. Like, be it in person or on here. Whenever you guys do see my hair, I get comments on it, or people ask me, how do you get your waves like that? Who cuts your hair? I cut my own hair, and you know. So I was like, yeah, let me pull up on here and show you guys how I style my hair, I guess. I'm in no way, shape, or form anybody's professional. I haven't had waves for the past decade, but I mean, I'm new to the game, so I kind of just was like, you know, I want waves, so I got waves. It's just as simple. It's just as easy as that. So I'm going to show you guys everything you need and what you need to do in order to make your waves pop, basically. Before we get into this video, be sure to follow me on all my social media. Everything will be linked on the screen in front of you or down below. If you guys want to see my no makeup look, this is kind of what I just do every day to kind of like just stay polished and look like a person every day at work. This would be good for like prom for some guys, or maybe graduation, or like a job interview, or just work in general, depending on your field and your comfortability with makeup and all that good stuff. But yeah, I hope. So first and foremost, I do like to brush my hair. I like to brush the right side of my hair with my right hand, and the left side of my hair with my left hand. I got this method from another YouTuber. If I can find his channel, I will definitely link it down below. There's a certain way about the angling of your waves. It just makes it more uniform when you do it this way. And I find that when I cross over, meaning when I switch, you know, when I comb my right side with my left hand, the wave pattern is different, and I prefer it this way, so that's why I do it this way. Then I like to moisturize my hair using this tea tree and jojoba hair and scalp oil by Cantu. I love this stuff. I've been using this for a few weeks now, and it has been doing me so much justice. I like to take this all over my hair and my scalp just to keep everything nice and moisturized without causing any type of buildup or breakage. And to promote the popping of my waves, I use this Wave Whip curling mousse from Cantu just to coat my hair and lock in that oil. I don't think that's how it works, but it works for me. Now, your wave cap is the most vital part of the entire process. Do not use do-rags, they're trash for waves. Get you a wave cap and just pull it snug over your entire head, and this is literally what will get you your waves, guaranteed. And after about 30 minutes of filming my no makeup look, I took my wave cap off, and this was my result, and that's literally it. Literally. Yeah, so I hope this video helps you guys achieve the waves that you want to achieve. Comment any video suggestions that you'd like to see, and yeah, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.
Yo, I been on, bitch, you been con. Bentley